Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. You get to see my face today. I'm Erica Hughes. If you have not subscribed to the channel and you are new, don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, leave a comment, hit the like button, click all the things that are under the video, check the description for how I mix my paints. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy today's pour. We're gonna be doing a chaos style Dutch pour. And it's all about composition and movement for me in this piece. I will be back at the end to show you the dried results. It's not varnished, but there's so much gloss, there's so much gloss gel in my mix that, well, not a crazy amount, but 25% gel gloss, 75% FLOETROL. And then water to thin down. But yeah, check the description for that. So for everybody who has reached out looking for me, thank you so much. It means the world to me when I get messages and comments and you guys are like, hey, where are you? Hope you're okay, hope you're well, miss your videos, all that good stuff. So thank you for reaching out. My family had COVID. That kind of took a lot out of us, but we are okay now. And for those who have been asking about my mom, she is finished with chemotherapy and we just got news that she's cancer free. So thank God. And the clouds kind of seem to be passing. So happy days. Happy to be back in the studio. I always forget, and I've said this before, when I haven't painted in a while, it's really hard for me to get back in the studio and get back in the groove of things. But when I do, I feel just amazing. So just shows you how therapeutic fluid art is, or any art, or whatever it is that you love to do. So stick around for the end of the video and I will show you the dried results. And again, thanks for joining me, guys. Talk soon. Bye.
Sometimes I think you like keeping me on the fence. You don't even try, it's in your nature to play pretend. I can't breathe when you're next to me. I am suffocating silently. Yeah, I've been waiting patiently for you to make up your mind. I don't wanna wait for you. I don't wanna wait for you. Yeah. 1 minute you're here and the next you're gone. Maybe I would be better off alone. I don't wanna wait for you. Yeah. I think our labels expire. Oh, the thought of leaving's too much to cope. I'm just so tired. Honestly, I'm at the end of my rope. I can't breathe when you're next to me. I am suffocating silently. Yeah, I've been waiting patiently for you to make up your mind. I don't wanna wait for you. I don't wanna wait for you. Yeah. 1 minute you're here and the next you're gone. Maybe I would be better off alone. I don't
All right, guys, we're back, and here's the dried result. Let me put it back here so you can see it. Hopefully you can see all that shine off of it. It's just gorgeous. I have not varnished it. There's so much gloss in there that it just dries gorgeous. I love it. It dried exactly how I left it. My favorite part is this. Just the movement in this piece is, I think, is stunning. It reminds me of wine being poured into a glass. You know, those ads you see on the telly or paintings. So I hope you guys like this. Let me know what you think in the comments underneath this video. And this one is for sale, so you can email me if you like. My email is in the description box. It will soon be up on the website as well, ericahughesart.com. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.